Good morning, everyone. My name is Arturo Guzman, and I'm going to talk to you about globalization. What is globalization? It refers to the integration of goods, services, culture among the nations and the world. We have been experiencing globalization since the days of European colonization. Advances in telecommunication and transportation technologies have accelerated through the years thanks to globalization. The internet has made all nations next-door neighbors. According to the World Internet Usage and Population Statistics as of June 30 of 2012, the world total population estimate has been 7 billion people. From those, the internet users are 360 million. Internet users from the latest data are 2 billion people. The last stage of globalization is the 3.0. It's the current era. The convergence of the personal computer, fiber optic internet connections and software has created a flat world platform. This platform allowed small groups and individuals to go global. The world has shrunk from size small to tiny, meaning that you can actually virtually bump into anyone at any time. Information technologies and globalization. Nowadays, the graphical user interface for computers has drastically improved the access to everyone. Ranges from age 12 to 68 can now utilize technologies and become global. The internet's infrastructure has allowed a lot of new rural populations to become global. The open source movement has allowed new companies to become a part of globalization through the improvement of their own technology. The introduction of software to automate and integrate business processes, meaning software that allows people to work together more easily. Software that allows different software packages and databases to integrate with each other more easily. For example, payment processing systems and shipping calculators. Advantages of global firms. The new era of globalization allows any business to become international. Advantages of global firms. The ability to locate expertise and labor around the world. This drastically reduces costs and improves customer service and overall product development. The ability to operate 24 hours a day allows global firms to bring their services all around the world, independently from where the actual corporate is located. Also, as a second product from the 24 hours a day policy, they can access a larger market for their products, improving their sustainability. Challenges of global firms. Infrastructural differences, labor laws and regulations, legal restrictions, language, customs and preferences, international shipping and cultural differences. The digital divide. The internet is creating a separation between those who have access to this global network and those who do not. The digital divide could prevent certain categories of people, those from low-income households, senior citizens, single-parent children, the undereducated, minorities, and residents of rural areas from receiving adequate access to the wide variety of resources offered by computer technology. The digital divide. Another view from the problem was proposed by Nielsen in 2006. This author breaks the digital divide into three stages. The economic divide. What is usually called the digital divide is, in Nielsen's terms, the economic divide. This idea that some people can afford a computer and internet access while others cannot. Hardware is cheaper today than in the past. In the future, computers will be cheaper and more powerful, according to Moore's law. Nielsen suggests that this cost is not going to be an issue in the future. The usability divide. Technology remains so complicated that many people couldn't use a computer even if they got one for free. Even for those who can use a computer, accessing all the benefits of having one is beyond their understanding. This problem is particularly evident with low literacy and senior persons. Some authors present this problem by separating digital natives versus digital immigrants. We know how to solve this problem, but the solution is not cost-effective. Empowerment. Empowerment divide is the most difficult to solve. It is concerned with how we use technology to empower ourselves. Very few users truly understand the power that digital technologies can give them. Researchers report that very few people contribute content to the internet. Few users use advanced search. Many people will limit what they can do online by accepting the basic default settings of their computers. Users do not work to understand how they can truly be empowered. Thanks.